Hi everyone, welcome to MB's Man Cave.
It's my man cave.
So I'm just welcoming everyone.
Okay, so I think let me take over. Okay. Hi guys and welcome to MB's Man Cave. और आज मेरे साथ हैं मेरी बहुत ही अच्छी फ्रेंड रोमा, क्योंकि हमारे घर में आज पार्टी है. न्यू ईयर आपको पता है आने वाला है और हमारे घर में न्यू ईयर की पार्टी न्यू ईयर से पहले शुरू हो जाती है. एंड टुडे वी आर हैविंग वन पार्टी एंड रोमा हैज़ कम and has brought some champagne for us. Thank you Roma for bringing the champagne. बट मुझे एक बात समझ नहीं आई दैट पार्टी 8 बजे की है, अभी 6 बजे हैं. वाई आर यू हेयर अर्ली एंड वाई हैव यू ब्रॉट सो मेनी बॉटल्स ऑफ शैम्पेन और हम यहाँ क्यों बैठे हैं?
क्योंकि you never review champagne.
ओके
So मैं इसलिए आपके लिए इतनी सारी बॉटल्स लेके आई हूँ ताकि हम डिफरेंट शैम्पेन्स को रिव्यू कर सके एंड यू कैन एक्सप्लेन कि वाई दे नीड अ गुड शैम्पेन.
शैम्पेन क्या होता है यार, मतलब ठीक है उड़ा के फेंकने वाली चीज़ होती है, बट ठीक है. इफ़ यू हैव ब्रॉट द बॉटल्स वी विल डू द रिव्यू टुडे. बट then why don't you take the lead and tell us about what we are reviewing today? What is this? Divox क्या नाम होता है इसका?
Divox. It's a Divox. It's a Divox champagne.
Okay.
Yeah. And this one is rosé.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And we have another variant also.
This is brut.
Brut.
जिसे हम ट्राई करने वाले हैं.
Yeah.
That's why I put it in the wine chiller.
Yeah.
ठंडी हो जाएगी तब तक हम बात करेंगे. और so what is Divox? Divox, which means it's a French champagne.
French champagne.
An authentic French champagne. So what is so special about Divox and you know why champagne is important? क्यों हमें अच्छी champagne खरीदनी चाहिए? Because normally जब हम champagne खरीदते हैं तो लोग उसे गिरा के वेस्ट करते हैं. So why Divox?
Okay. तो बेसिकली लोग जब भी शैम्पेन खरीदने जाते हैं दे बाय चीप स्टफ, तो लोग प्रीमियम गुड क्वालिटी शैम्पेन में इन्वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं, तभी वो उसको ड्रिंक भी नहीं कर पाते हैं.
Right.
तो
That's true because champagne normally when you drink it tastes so acidic.
yeah.
Okay.
So if you invest in a good champagne and like Divox, so you can also drink it. You just don't have to just throw it या आप सिर्फ पार्टी करने के लिए उड़ा रहे हैं, ऐसे नहीं है. You can actually drink it and have a good time with it.
That's true. I think it makes sense. And I think जब हम स्पेशली किसी के घर में जाते हैं पार्टी करने के लिए, then a bottle of champagne is the perfect gift. Like you have brought the gifts for us, you know, and we are going to drink it. Especially ये बड़ी वाली bottle तो मैं खोलूँगा इसको. I think that makes sense because when you're buying cheap stuff, you can only expect cheap quality sparkling wine and that tastes quite acidic, quite tartiness. There's a bit of tartiness in that. But if you drink good champagne, if you're paying good money, then you can also expect good champagne.
Yeah.
So don't waste good champagne. And if you're going to somebody's house, अगर आप New Year's पे जाना चाहते हैं या for any party in general, I think a bottle of champagne is the perfect gift. So of course there are so many champagnes we have. We know that champagne comes from France. Champagne is a region in France and only जो champagne उस region में बनती है, only those can be called champagne. So this is an authentic champagne.
Yes, this is an authentic champagne because आज तक हम जो भी champagnes देखते आए हैं, they are not aged well enough. तो ये 5 साल तक age की गई है and
okay, 5 years aged for a champagne.
Yeah.
Okay.
And they are made from good quality grapes like Pinot Noir, Chardonnay. So all these type of varieties of grapes have been used. That is why it is one of the premium champagnes available.
I've seen this. मैंने सुना भी है, मतलब कई experts भी बोलते हैं that even the big companies when they make champagne, they usually choose the cheaper grapes.
Quality of grapes.
But
yes.
if you're using Pinot Noir and Chardonnay, with 5 years of aging, I don't think that कि जो उसका taste होगा, I'm pretty sure will be amazing. And one thing which I've noticed here that इस वाली bottle में भी है that there is actually an age statement which says 5 years, which is the big thing. I'm sure there are other champagnes also which are premium. At least they are expensive, so we can say they are premium. But there is no age statement normally, और किसी भी bottle में नहीं होती है. But there is an age statement. That's a big thing. And tell us something about the bottle design. I can see there is a metallic look to it. Even the box looks quite beautiful. It has a velvet finish.
Yeah. So if we talk about the bottle, as you can see, they have not at all compromised on their looks and everything. As you can see, the premium bottle and the metal label that has been used for it. And if you see the box also, box से इससे पता चलता है कि it's a very classy, you know, bottle and a look. And पीने से पहले you can guess कि yeah, it's a premium bottle. And when you're gifting it to someone, it is, you know, a very nice gift that you can gift on New Year's or any other occasion that you like. So yeah, I think the look is amazing.
Right. It does look quite premium, but I think what matters is that how does it taste. So
yeah.
should we just open this
Yeah.
and drink it? Would you like to do the honors?
No, you do
मैं
it.
करूँ? Okay.
Yeah.
मेन सारे काम मुझे करना पड़ता है, but it's okay. I don't mind.
It's for you, na?
अच्छा ठीक है, done. Alright, so थोड़ा सा शेक करके फेंकूं मैं वो इससे हो गया
नहीं, ये हम पियेंगे क्योंकि ये एक गुड क्वालिटी शैम्पेन है.
Okay, so तमीज़
ये
से
हम
है ना?
नहीं उड़ाएंगे.
But I love the sound of wine cork, you know, uncorking.
Yeah.
It's the most satisfying sound one can hear. Alright, थोड़ा सा लूज कर लेता हूँ मैं वरना गिरेगा. Okay, आराम से करेंगे.
Okay.
It's still a very nice pour. अपने थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा डाली है मैंने.
कोई बात नहीं.
Okay. So definitely very nice, nice color to it, and this is aged for 5 years.
Yeah.
That's very amazing. I mean, it has a nice golden hue to it. Normally, you know, sparkling wines they use white grapes. This has Chardonnay and Pinot Noir and aged for 5 years, so you can see it has a bit more darker hue as compared to regular sparkling wines. Should we do some nosing?
Sure.
There is a nice bit of creamy aroma to it. You know, there's no tartness जो आती है you know, the cheaper sparkling wine. This definitely
Sweet.
has that sweet you know, aroma to it. Bit of creamy aroma, almost like a fruit cream. Very
Yeah.
refreshing. All right, let's taste,
Yeah.
shall we?
Yeah.
Cheers. Very mild
Very
sweetness. The sweetness I think develop हो रही है धीरे धीरे. When it starts, when it starts, it's not very sweet, but it goes down, and you feel that the taste of raisins
Yeah.
and bit of jam, you know, like grape jam that you get when it goes down. It's very
Kishmish.
tasty. Yeah, that's raisins.
Raisins. Yeah.
Yeah, so raisins is grapes, right? So you get that taste of raisins when you drink it. Because when you age a wine, the taste of grape, you know, it starts developing to something similar to raisins, and this has that texture to it. There's a nice creamy texture as well. Very nice. Actually,
Very nice, actually.
I don't think that I've actually really tried a good champagne.
Good
like
champagne,
this.
yeah.
I've tried good champagnes, but this is like really delicious. I mean, I can just have this New Year ki wait kyun kar diya? I think this is something which you can have.
See,
all year
still
long.
you don't review champagnes.
I would not mind reviewing more champagnes in the future, but you'll have to get me bottles.
Sure.
And I will do more champagne reviews because I really like this one, and I think you have better choices in champagne, like the one that you selected today.
Yeah.
So next time when we are out, or if you come here or I come to your place, you have to get champagne. I will not get
Done.
champagne. I will get whiskey bottles for you. Okay?
Okay.
Done. So there is one brut and one rosé,
One
right?
rosé,
And rosé, as you guys know, it has a rosé hue to it. There are different kind of grapes that are used, and this is also aged for 5 years.
Yes.
So both aged for
Both
5 years.
aged for 5 years.
Okay.
Yes. So you know what's the best part, Manish?
Okay, the best. Wasn't it the taste?
No, wait
No.
for it.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's the price. So it has been recently launched. So it is selling it only for 4,600 in Gurgaon.
4,600. That's
Yeah.
like a limited edition price, like just the launch
Exactly.
price.
Yeah.
Because usually, that's not a bad price for a good champagne. This is a good champagne,
Totally.
and I think if we compare it with other champagnes, then there are champagnes which are without age treatment which sell more than that. So I don't think that's a bad price, and it is definitely a good champagne.
And you can drink it as well.
I don't know. Normally when I used to go to my friends' places for dinner, I used to bring them like cheap 500-600 रुपए वाला champagne, and वो मुझे आखिरी में dessert भी नहीं खिलाते थे. So, but I think now I know the reason why, because
Yeah.
this tastes really good, and I know next time I will not do conjuicy. I'll get a good champagne.
Good champagne. Then you'll get the
So-
dessert as well.
Absolutely, I'm looking forward to it. So thank you, Roma. Thank you so much for coming here to this channel. This is your first appearance. Hopefully not the last.
Yeah.
We'll do more work together, and thank you for bringing champagne. So you guys let me know अगर आपने try करी है Duo champagne, then how did you like it? अगर नहीं करी तो लेकर आओ, आप सीजन आ गया न्यू ईयर्स पे तो शैम्पेन बनती है. लाइक करो वीडियो को, शेयर करो अपने दोस्तों के साथ, स्पेशली उन दोस्तों को जो दोस्त आपके न्यू ईयर की पार्टी में आ रहे हैं, सो दे नो कि उनको क्या लेकर आना चाहिए, है ना. अच्छा आइडिया दे दिया मैंने आप लोगों को. दिस इज जेन्युइनली अ वेरी गुड शैम्पेन. आई रियली लाइक्ड इट, एंड आई थिंक फॉर द प्राइस इट्स रियली गुड वैल्यू फॉर मनी. तो चलिए मिलते हैं जल्दी, तब तक के लिए चीयर्स.